The Gender and Development Center is under the Office of the Vice President for Research, Development and Extension of the Davao Oriental State College of Science and Technology. It evolved from the Committee on Gender and Development under the Extension Unit of the Research and Extension Office, following the mandates of the Commission on Higher Education based on CMO-1 Series of 2015, the Philippine Commission on Women, and other concerned government agencies. The DOSCST GAD Center is committed to uphold gender equality and women's empowerment through the strategic agenda focusing on curriculum integration, conduct of gender researches, and gender-inclusive extension programs that would benefit the DOSCST employees, students, and community partners. Gender and development is mainstreamed in the organizational structure of the college through the GAD Focal Point System, or the GFPS, being led by the governing board under Dr. Edito B. Sumile, OIC President, and channeled through the GAD Focal Committee, Technical Working Group, and Secretariat. In DOSCST, we have designated focal persons with diverse academic backgrounds in criminology, psychology, and biology to establish a holistic framework in advocating gender and development.
The center's primary function is to generate knowledge and transfer technology towards gender inclusion and responsiveness through research and extension, projects, programs, and initiatives. On this premise, we are branding the center as a learning resource center, promoting knowledge exchange and providing capacity building initiatives to academes, basic education institutions, local government units, women's groups and organizations, and indigenous communities. Our Speakers Bureau expanded its reach from the grassroots communities to professional industries in the Davao region and beyond. As mandated per the CMO number 1 series of 2015, the center is also expected to mainstream GAD in the curriculum. Hence, we have integrated GAD in our teaching methodologies, even under the new normal teaching and learning modalities. In DOSCST, our shared vision is to promote excellence, innovation, and inclusion in all our endeavors, especially in terms of gender and development.
Our efforts are dedicated to various key result areas. Based on the KRAs, we have institutionalized various programs under the GAD Center. These are the Gender Fair Education Program, GAD Capacity Building Program, GAD Research Resource Collection Program, Gender Responsive Extension and Community Engagement Program, and Friendly Environment for All Genders Program. Under the Gender Fair Education Program, we have trained a total of 21,535 students on gender sensitivity and gender-related issues such as sexual harassment, violence against women and children, illegal drugs, HIV and AIDS, and mental health. The same awareness and advocacy-raising fora were conducted for newly hired faculty and staff and NSTP facilitators. To date, a total of 893 DOSCST employees have been trained. The GAD Capacity Building Program is intended for DOSCST's community partners in the academia, basic education institutions, government agencies, local government units, women's organizations, and other stakeholders. Our Speakers Bureau has trained 3,362 individuals on gender sensitivity, 2,200 individuals on gender and development, and 213 individuals on GAD planning and budgeting. Likewise, we have organized a seminar series on gender-related issues such as Bawal Bastos Law, sexual harassment, mental health, and smart parenting, benefiting 5,635 persons within and outside the province of Davao Oriental. Amidst the COVID-19 pandemic, we also organized a GAD webinar series setting an academic discussion on gender integration, emerging gender issues, and resolving gender violence among 811 DepEd teachers in the city of Mati. As a research center, we actively engage in various research programs. In fact, during the annual in-house review, we dedicate one cluster to accommodate gender-related researches from the faculty members, which by far has led to the institutionalization of various research projects which have been presented and published here and abroad. In terms of community extension, we have partnered with the Department of Education, Department of the Interior and Local Government, and the Philippine Eagle Foundation in mainstreaming gender in public and private spaces of development.
We're so grateful with Davao Oriental State College of Science and Technology Gender and Development Center because they immediately heed to our request regarding with the needs of our learners. Lately, we have, of course, the series, the GAD seminar series, webinar series. We're so grateful because with this series, we were able to bring about, again, the issues that our teachers are facing in the field, and that includes as well with their experiences at home. We will also be having more in the coming months, and we're glad that we have GAD Center with us as our partner, and we will always be working with them basically because we both believe that with the activities that we're conducting, we will be able to address the needs of our stakeholders, our clients, because we shared both clients, that is the people of Davao Oriental.
We in the Department of the Interior and Local Government, City of Mati Office, is very grateful and in fact happy with our engagement with Davao Oriental State College of Science and Technology with this gender and development project for the barangays of the city of Mati. With our engagement with Davao Oriental State College of Science and Technology, this gender and development project would really give a hint and in fact a very substantial input in coming up with a more responsive in relevant programs in gender and development in 26 barangays in the city of Mati.
Presenting the milestones of the GAD Center, created the GAD Speakers Bureau for Gender and Development and gender-related capacity development initiatives of various agencies in the entire province. served as technical consultant and learning resource of DepEd Mati City and Sangguniang Kabataan in Barangays for GAD capacity development. Underwent GAD evaluation and monitoring last September 2018, conducted by GAD Regional Office 11. Presented GAD research outputs in the first International Conference on Galax at UST Manila and in the 2020 RDE Virtual In-House Review. Presented the GAD Center's best practices under management and governance during the 2019 GAD Regional GAD Summit. Awarded as partner implementer of the OK sa DepEd program in the aspect of gender and development, drug abuse prevention and control, and mental health, and conducted the first ever webinar series in the college. With our utmost commitment to uphold gender equality and women's empowerment, we at the DOSCST GAD Center shall continue to strive for these ways forward. Let us join hand in hand in fulfilling our vision to become the premier gender and development center in Davao Region that emulates inclusion through gender-responsive policies, programs, and services, leading towards women empowerment and gender equality.